Kounya la, nou al studio, nou al anko do J.K. la ke DJ, e yo vide m fè manja an studio,
Mgen raj fò, m rap, mgen laj pou m rap, chaje page rap, mwen vle staj rap, rap apè bak koz mgen bout trak.
Hopefully, probably me J.K. and the one and only KDJ.
But the only thing I would say about King H, like I would say he's one of the most improved artists that's becoming here. You know what I'm saying? Like he came here about a year ago, September of last year. You know, so yeah, it's been over a year since he's been coming out here, and I would say he's improved a lot. I remember when he first came through, he recorded the song, like there was some like offbeat parts and this and that, but like now he comes through, kills a song in like you know, like an hour, and you know, he's really vibing. Like, you know, that new track Vibla, once you guys hear that, like it's produced by me, got J Creole and King H on that, like you'll hear that King H kill that ish, you know? What should I just call this, freestyle too or something?
HMI freestyle. King HMI freestyle.
On you or the headphones?
Headphones. Okay. No, lower. For my voice, lower.
Right?
Yeah, okay. Now it's good. It's good now. Thank you.
Everything's good?
Yeah, everything's good.
Alright, bro. Okay.
Yeah, man. J Creole the name. Shit, if you haven't heard about me, shit, you ain't hear about nothing. Yeah, real talk. But yeah, I remember this. You know, this young man called me. I think it was about either this time last year or probably a couple of months. You know, before that. Yeah. He said my cousin told him about me and wanted to link up. And I think I was around the time when I was traveling to Haiti. I told him I'm about to fly, but when I come back, I might hit him up. Or he should. I'll let him know he can hit me up. So. I came back from Haiti, he linked up, you know, not directly. I think he was supposed to link up, but then he got to a car accident, and it took about 2 months for him to link up with me after. So, but once he came here, and I told him this is what we about, you know, this is what we do for artists. This is we definitely like will take your career to a next level, because I think he came from 1914. Now I think he's sky high now. Yeah, I'm talking like, you know, from one spot now he's like, I think you can consider him as somebody that's about to go, you know, worldwide, you know, with the rap Creole, and especially he's doing English right now as well. You know what I mean? So yeah, his music, his career, his brand definitely developed to another level, you know what I'm saying? Like, and you can see like he really care about his name and his brand, the work that he's putting in, you know what I'm saying? Like is some artists, I've seen a lot of artists that come here. There's a small percentage of them that take their brand like as serious as King H does, you know what I'm saying? Like, and he's really kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and he doesn't, like, he's the type that also listen to advice, because, you know what I'm saying? Like, because people that come out here, I make sure, like, you know, I tell them, you know, if this is what you got to do if you invest in this game, and he always listen. And it's right now, I can tell you, like, he's definitely, you know, sky high, roofed up is not even the limit for him. Right now he's on his way, you know, like especially like with that last single he dropped, you know, like Leave It 3, that shit is already, you know, it's catching fire, plus he's got some other thing, you know, on the way and all that. Yeah, I'm telling you, King H though, like, yo, if you keep working, you know, he's definitely gonna take the rap Creole, he's gonna take it over, you know, by storm, definitely, you know what I mean? And his music went from like, I would say like, you know, I wouldn't say like 0 to 100, because that would be like considered like almost like he wasn't doing nothing. But like he, like before we met him, like, you know, he looks like he was looking for serious, and he found it here. And I can tell you, everything has improved from then. You know, from his style to his music to his brand. He's taking everything in, and is about to turn it, like, you know what I mean, to another level. And I can tell you soon, like, yo, I don't think, like, you know, people is ready for that shit. Soon this guy, you know what I mean, he's gonna definitely take over the rap Creole in the game industry, you know what I mean. So King H, go him, man, go my bruh. You know what I'm saying? Keep it 100. Keep doing what you do, you see what I mean? Yeah, sky's not even the limit. There ain't no limit, bros. Y'all, let's get it, yeah?
Al subscribe parce qu'elle va laguer vibe. T'es qu'on fait les bouts de l'air, qu'on a fait les toutes les rimes solides à bout de fer. Oui, nègre, c'est à tout faire. T'es qui j'aime qu'à laguer, c'est bon, qui peut même laguer, c'est mal, pour la laguer, il quitte. Regardez qui j'aime à laguer, il fait nègre, tu m'as pensé, chaque jour pour ma pensée. Fuck them qui va senser, n'a à nègre, rancé. Accès de quand pour ton move, ça va le bail sur le trap, prends d'or, t'es dem à subscribe. Ça c'est un backup, I guilty love. Rap solide qui fort, mon Dieu c'est nous plus fort. Prochain encore, quand même levé mort. Rap n'a sans moi, hip hop comme groupe sanguin. Li en dedans moi.